Hello everyone, welcome to our channel SKI Class Academy. We intend to provide an effective learning platform to all who seeks for good understanding of industry required skills and concepts. In this video, we are going to see about the basics of neural networks. Let us start the session. Can anyone tell what is written inside the green box? Most people effortlessly recognize those digits as 546293. That is deceptive. In each hemisphere of our brain, humans have a primary visual cortex containing more than 140 million number of neurons, each neuron with the tens of billions of connections between them. So we hold a supercomputer in our minds, refined by hundreds of millions of years of evolution and superbly designed to understand the world of visions. It's not easy to recognize handwritten digits. Instead, we humans are amazingly good at making sense of what our eyes showing us. But almost all of that work is unconsciously done here. If you try to write a computer program to recognize digits like those above, the difficulty of visual pattern recognition becomes apparent. Simple intuitions about how we recognize shapes. Suppose a 9 has a loop at the top and a vertical stroke in the bottom right, so turn out to be not so simple to express algorithmically. So we need a tool for addressing this issue. Artificial neural networks approach the same problem in a different way. The idea is to take a large number of handwritten digits, known as training examples, and then develop a system which can learn from those training examples. The neural network uses the examples to automatically infer rules for recognizing handwritten digits. And furthermore, by increasing the number of training samples, the network can learn more about handwriting and so improve its accuracy. And so, what is a neural network is all about? A neural network is a collection of algorithms that attempt to identify underlying associations in a dataset through a mechanism that imitates how a human brain functions. A neural network contains layers of interconnected nodes. A simple neural network consists of three layers. First one input layer, the middle one is the hidden layer, and finally the output layer. The input layer collects input patterns. The hidden layers fine tune the input weightings until the neural network's margin of error is minimal. And the output layer gives the classifications or the output signals to which the input patterns are mapped. Let's see the applications of the neural network. Neural networks are broadly used in applications such as financial operations, enterprise planning, trading, business analytics, and product maintenance. Neural networks have also gained widespread adoption in business applications such as forecasting and marketing, the research solutions, fraud detection, and risk assessment. These are the tools available to handle neural networks, where yes, a standalone tools which does not require any supporting files to make use of the software. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe our channel and click bell icon for getting updates about the industry ready skills updation. Thank you all.